Well, boys, the stock bottom at 4.8 only took 16 psi. Tuning definitely had a lot to do with it. I didn't have it rich enough up top. I turned up the boost with this little manual controller, seeing if it actually worked, and obviously it worked. Still runs, but number 7's gone. Smoking a ton. My buddy yesterday pulled the number 7 spark plug wire, and it didn't change a bit. Everyone else ran funny afterwards. You know how you do it, a little misfire check basically. So pretty sure it either cracked the ringland or it cracked a piston or something in that nature. So now the plan is to pretty much find another stock engine. I'm probably going to throw a cam in this one. This one's a stock cam. I don't know if you keep up with this truck, but stock cam, stock bottom end 4.8 with 243 heads. I did the heads obviously because of the gaskets and studs, and well, I had those heads laying around to obviously flow better. So pretty much the plan is to pull this one out, pull the trans out, do a different converter setup, go through the trans again, kind of see how it looked. There's a few times where like fourth gear feels like it kicks in and doesn't kick in, like slips in. It's just funky. So I'm gonna go back in it and see exactly what's going on with that. The plan is eventually have 4 drives and pistons, but I think I'm gonna just throw another stock engine back in it and maybe throw a little cam in that one with the 243 heads. That's on here now, so I'll probably end up going to the junkyard and pulling one, end up pulling it, and then pulling the engine at the junkyard. Try not to make this video too long, but pretty simple, straightforward process of getting this thing going, because I really want to turn this thing up. You can see right there where it freaking blew the gaskets out the valve covers because of all the freaking blow by it's got. Blew the hose off this little breather back there too. Stay tuned also to see exactly what happened to this engine. We're going to take the head off and then show y'all how bad it is on the inside. If I had to guess, it's probably not that bad. It's probably just literally a crack in the piston or something simple. I could probably just replace the piston, throw it back in there, but this thing has some use on it. It still has low oil pressure from many different reasonings, I'm sure, but it had so much gunk in the bottom end. I'm sure it was clogging the screen up for a long time, and it was eating bearings. So I guarantee the bearings are wore in this thing. So we're just going to try to find a decent junkyard high mile one. All right, as you can see, we got the whole front end tore apart, so it'd be easier to get the whole transmission and engine and assembly out this way. We could pretty much leave it together, leave like the manifold and stuff, hopefully, on exhaust and all. I might have to take the exhaust off, I'm not sure yet. But try to leave it together, get it pulled out as a unit, and then take it apart right here on the ground to separate it. I gotta get it underneath there and do drive shafts and transfer case and all the other good stuff like that. Well, boys, there she is. She out. We're gonna get the tore down and see exactly what happened to the piston. See if it's like just cracked or melted or whatever happened to it. Hopefully it didn't damage the block. I plan to kind of use this block with another build later on, hopefully. I got some factory 5.3 pistons and stuff to go back in there, but I just need a good block. Golly. Look at that thing. Straight cracked it, burnt a little piece. The rest of them don't look horrible though. Good thing is the cylinder wall looks pretty good. Had to turn it over to see at the bottom, but you can tell it broke right here. Right at the top. Hell yeah. Well, that's gonna be it on this video. We'll get the rest of the engine tore down and get a little engine going back in it that I already pulled, and I gotta stay up to date with the mail truck. Subscribe right now and leave a comment letting me know what you want to see on this truck. I have a feeling the next build is gonna do very well.